The Department of the Treasury and IRS released new guidance for individuals who receive tips and overtime compensation. I am here to provide you with detailed information on how you can determine the amount of deductions you are eligible for without needing your employer's input. When it comes to tips and overtime compensation, the IRS allows workers to claim deductions for expenses related to earning this income. These deductions can help individuals reduce their taxable income and potentially lower their overall tax liability. To determine the amount of deductions you may be eligible for, you can refer to the IRS guidelines and forms provided for the specific tax year. For example, if you receive tips as part of your income, you can file Form 4137 to calculate the amount of Social Security and Medicare taxes you owe on your tips. This form allows you to separate your tips from the wages reported by your employer and determine the correct amount of taxes to pay. Additionally, you may be able to claim deductions for any expenses incurred while earning tips, such as uniforms or transportation costs. When it comes to overtime compensation, workers can claim deductions for expenses related to working additional hours beyond their regular hours schedule. This could include costs for meals, transportation, or other work-related expenses. By keeping track of these expenses throughout the year, individuals can accurately calculate their deductions and potentially reduce their tax liability. For the tax year 2025, there have been key changes in deductions related to tips and overtime compensation. The maximum annual deduction for these expenses has increased to $2,500, allowing individuals to potentially save more on their taxes. However, there are phase-outs based on income level, so it is important to ensure you meet the eligibility criteria for claiming these deductions. In conclusion, the guidance provided by the Department of the Treasury and IRS for individuals who receive tips and overtime compensation can help you determine the amount of deductions you are eligible for without needing your employer's input. By understanding the specific forms and calculations required, you can accurately claim deductions for expenses related to earning tips and overtime compensation and potentially reduce your overall tax liability. Remember to keep detailed records of your expenses throughout the year to ensure you maximize your DAR deductions and take full advantage of the benefits provided by the IRS. Thank you for tuning in.